Kev G weather overview. Taking another look at the compare and contrast of the automated forecast that you can get them on your smartphone, you can get them online. We compare that with the human forecaster. Yes, there is such a thing. And I recommend that if you're going to look at your smartphone or this forecast from Weather Underground, compare it to what one of our local meteorologists says, even if it's a 5 day or a 7 day snapshot. So if you really don't have the time, at the bare minimum, you should look at two forecasts, one that's done by a computer and one that's done by a human. This forecast over Weather Underground, once again, is absolutely absurd. And we looked at this last time. We've got a lot of April Fool's jokes on here with snowflakes flying around, which is not going to happen. We've got Monday with highs just stuck in the upper 40s. Now, I can kind of see how that might play out if the storm system to our east on Sunday night is a little bit closer and able to throw back some clouds. But I prefer Jeff Smith's forecast here. Let's take a look at ABC7. For Monday, big comparison. He's more optimistic for Monday. We'll see what pans out. I'll do another update over the weekend. But I think this early week forecast is going to turn out pretty decent once we get rid of the rain for Saturday. Rain looks like it holds off for northern areas on Saturday, but I'm a little bit more pessimistic about New York City south. I think much of the day we're raining here. So we'll take a look at the models. I'll show you what I mean. But this forecast is really the one to trust in terms of continuity and in terms of reality. We open up April next week with highs generally around 50 with some rain chances there on Wednesday, but I even think that goes to the south. I'll show you why. But Jeff's got it in there. Like him on Facebook and Twitter, the fabulous ABC7 crew over there. Now, we've got a bit of rain for overnight tonight into early Friday morning, but that's going to be short-lived, and it should be out of here by the time lunchtime rolls around. And skies should be clearing up as we await the storm system for Saturday. So Friday afternoon, Friday night, not too shabby to end the week. And then Saturday we get into this rain chance. And you see what I mean here about this rain moving in kind of early for southern areas, but maybe holding off for much of the day east of the Hudson River and up the Hudson Valley. You know, you might get in a decent early morning walk or run, whatever you're doing on Saturday morning if you're north of New York City, but I'm not as optimistic for New York City south. I think rain gets in here pretty early, and then it gets heavy at times for a brief while on Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. So much of the day Saturday is murky, and it's rainy, and we've got to deal with this warm front. Then we're going to get a bit of a break on Sunday. We will have more clouds than sun, but I think with any decent amount of sunshine, I think we could expect temperatures to come up a bit. And then Sunday night, this storm system sort of gets stuck out in the Gulf of Maine area, and it may spin back some light rain or drizzle our way, especially the further east you go Sunday night into Monday. You could even see that by Monday, we're still dealing with this stubborn storm system as it's sitting off the coast. It's kind of a windy day. Winds are coming out of the north. That's why I think we could have a little bit of a temperature problem. So if you want to split the difference with Jeff Smith's high in the lower 60s on Monday in Weather Underground, you still come up with about 55 degrees for Monday. So a safe bet would be mid-50s for Monday with that storm nearby. Then you get into Tuesday, not bad, looking pretty dry. Temperatures in the 50s, around seasonable. And then we wait for this storm system, which the models are taking to our south. So we'll keep our fingers crossed on that one. And we'll see if we can open April in a dry fashion as this storm system kind of moves away. So overall, not a bad pattern. The most rain falls on a Saturday. And then after that, it's not too bad. We got to dodge some showers here and there for early in the week, but then I think general improvement as we go through the better portion of next week.